If lasagna, ako pa-try na.
If you got to go right, then you know, so just take the gel, the fast food, your head is
But if you're telling me right now, no matter what I say, is there a
I want to ride.
with 17
Oh, you're very dirty.
It's raining.
surrounded
Oh,
by
really?
points that being
Is that like
repeated
French
that I want to
toast?
address in the vaccine. I can't have good faith, and at the end of the day, vaccines, they're incredibly rare, especially zero. I had to highlight this that which versus vaccines. Vaccines have such a higher level of scrutiny.
Ice cream run. What?
It's all gone. See, that says.
I wanna get Ben and Jerry's or Conocía. I also want Oreo. Yeah.
Would that be nice? Or?
There's also one here, salted caramel gelato. Buying ice cream is a serious matter.
It's probably not the same, is it?
So he got Italian gelato lemon. Ew, I'm judging your choice. And putting it back, mine would be chocolate chip cookie dough. Team Ben and Jerry's. But also I want to try this brand.
Maybe I just need to get a vanilla ice cream. You're supposed to go like that. And gotta be really stiff.
Mag-dumpster dive me. Hindi ka namin nagpalit of ice cream. Pero paglabay na mo, ay daghan oh. Daghan oh, botilya. And na pangari. Shoot, daghan kayo. I miss this.
Sounds dirty.
So you can... You want some?
No bottle. Heavy and annoying. Thank you. Show them the hole.
Look at our hole. That's probably how many?
$3?
$3.
You're good.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go. Be good.
Let's go.
So, ang plan round ta kay magpalit og ice cream. Check. Pero nakapalit mig lain. So, my choice of ice cream is chocolate chip cookie dough. Lee's choice of ice cream is the Konusu, classic vanilla. And then banana muffins. And then biscoff kay iyang i-try og drizzle. Aris iyang vanilla ice cream. And then tissue kay half price siya.
Gochi one.
Let's make our own movie snack. And the movie tonight is not movie series. It's
Black Mirror.
Black Mirror.
I just said.
Fun fact, I worked at Ben & Jerry's before and I did my OJT.
What do you call it? OJT. OJT. What's that?
On the job training. What do you call it here?
Work experience?
Boring. It's good. Mahal lang ang Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry's are expensive. You have to put oil.
There's oil in it. I read it. Put oil on you.
Lama oh. I'll tell my mom.
She'll say you deserve it because you disrespect.
Disrespect?
Let's try this. Oh my god. It's not as good as pistachio, but it's good. Good. Try a bit.
I don't have biscuits.
Huh? You ate it in the cross buns. Do you remember you ate it in the cross buns? Oh, look at that.
They're pretty good. Hello. We're going to the Sunday market. And we're taking
Scooters.
Scooter.
For
Pray
cake.
for us.
Let's see.
We're doing it. So we ended up riding the ferry instead. Because I got chicken out. But when we get home, we'll be riding a scooter. Promise. There's people kayaking. First time going into botanical gardens. We're going in deep. Jurassic Park.
Best almonds. Split almonds with an Italian flavor purple. This is garlic butter with salt out over.
A little bit of coffee and then
Okay, here.
you want one?
Just make sure you put it going.
Yeah, look.
Please get the Sisig related chips. Ah, yes, big ones.
Large pork sisig, please. That's it. Thank you. Tell them what's the history of this amazing tree.
I could make something up. It's a tree that was planted in the past, and as it grew, this branch kept growing out,
Yeah.
and so they propped it up with some branch props imported from Malaysia,
Is it?
and it's grown and grown, and now the branch is over 300 meters long and as thick as a Filipino python.
What a cool tree.
Stand it up so you look tall. Wow. Run along like we can see the... Run along, run. Run.
This first time eating sisig.
It's an interesting name. So is it pork?
That's our view. Yeah, it's pork.
Very good.
Sisig. Just the pork.
Tastes good.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
Have fun.
Okay, here.
Watch out, this just goes straight across to the... My goodness. It's absolutely bloody. On your right. Thank you.
Cute dog.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh. We're almost home. Naabot na mong pistachio. Ibutang nga. Glad nobody stole it. Good morning, people of the world! Nanapod me U-Foods. Today's Monday, and every Monday mag-deliver ang U-Foods. And then nag-order me this week. Let's see. Ice na siya. We have chicken katsu curry, Portuguese chicken and rice. I like these. Chicken satay noodles. Okay, ko ganahan. Creamy coconut chicken. Ganahan sili ana. Butter chicken. Okay lang siya. Chipotle fried chicken. Ganahan ko ani. Smoky barbecue chicken. Ganahan ko ana. Mexican beef lasagna. Ako try na. Barbecue beef and mash. Okay, ano siya. Butter chicken. That's it. Usually, ako na siyang tanawon ang expiry date. 29, 30, 29, 29, 30, 38, 29, 27. So, muna butang. It's already 6:38 and we just went to the grocery. We have milk, Lee's favorite juice, and wadyo nakaagwanta si Lee yung ipalit ang Yochi frozen yogurt. Maghimo sa katong permi na mo paliton. Unang nagpalit sa niyo pistachio sauce. So we'll see how would that turn out. And look, I'm baking banana bread. Let's make dinner. And we're gonna do leftover pork wrap with pesto. Oh, did you hear from?
Not yet.
Banana bread smells good.
It smells good. Should I do all of it? Yeah, I should do all of it. So, ang leftover pork ni Sia. Then, let's put pesto. Same pesto sa pesto pasta. The next, nagkuha na ko grab, and then, spread na ko cream cheese. Kung kiba mo wrap. Wow, we want this one. There's the chocolate. Oh, good job.
Good job, Kate.
Good job. Hello, people of the universe. Diretso din ta grocery haul. Nako'y gilakaw, and then hapit na lang ko grocery kay wala ni itlog. And then nakapalit na po ko other things. So first, peach tea. Nako'y bagong na-discover, lami na snack. So kini siya kay sa Coles niya, imurang itimbang-timbang. Ito lami ni barbecue rice crackers. Kini lami po ni chili and lime soy crisp. Tea, yawa na tea. Rum steak kay on special. Ang kini dagan may palit ko 4, 6, 7 ang gipalit kay nag half price sila. And of course atong gyud to egg. Wa pa ko'y kaon na alas 3 na. So we're having leftover gabi. It's time for dessert. The Yochi Greek style frozen yogurt with pistachio sauce. Pero kinirang spread akong gigamit. Medyo pareha sa katong among gipalitan og yogurt. What are you laughing?
I don't know what that means.
I said it's the same taste. Mine kay Diaries. No! After dessert!
Okay. My love.
Punch your friends, people of the world. Okay ta. Kay mangita ko og long sleeve na black, long sleeve na white, and then maybe bag, specifically red, and then red na heels or shoes. And then if napoy boots, magpalit ang boots. And then if what ay makitaan mo adto ta sa city, Uniqlo tali or Supri. Masayon man jud diba if sa mall kay nadayon, pero mas malipay ko makakita og mga gamit sa ukay-ukay. Kay mura siya og murag Christmas gift na musod ka nga wa ka kibaw unsa mo makitaan or baka makitaan kanang Ina na feeling. So, mas ganahan ko og ukay-ukay jud. And then, mas barato sad. And mo, ina niya akong outfit kay white og Zumba. Karon. Kaya tay Zumba. So, I have my bus card, battery, and you guys. Perfume for today is Givenchy Linterdy. Kamu na bahala if sakto ba akong pag-pronounce today. Nice na kayong weather ron kay. Nagyapoy sun, init sa sun, pero ang hangin kay tugnaw na. My kind of weather. Ay, muna ni siya guys. Let's get it. 50% blue price tags. No. Levi's. Siya to, pag ganito kasud. Got the goods! Murag usa dyan ko ka-oras nga to kay ako dyan dingi una-una og pamaayo kay tag $30 siya. So ako na lang gipalit kay murag dyan ko katog kung dinin ako paliton. So kanata sa second ukay-ukayan. It's an antique store. Kung ganahan ay nice na siya. Cool stuff. Yeah. How much is this one? Made in India. Ano naman bagay? Red na bag. Leather made in Italy. Tagbilang siya. Set 145. Antique Center. Katulo ko ning sa kayong bus kay nawa ko. Napagpadung na nako. Kita ko ato. Noisy. Naabot na dyan ta friends. Muna siya ang favorite kay dako niya. Barato rapod. So we're on our way to Zumba. So usually magsitikat man tan karon kay nagbus ra ta kay gikan man ta sa inner city. Mo na ang katong permi na to sakyan. Gikan lang tangari. Nagbus. Straight lang na padung Zumba. Made it to Zumba class. What a late.
Let's go! Everyone feeling good? Hey.
It's your workout.
$30.
Dollars? You've never spent that much in your life.
No. Do you want to see it?
Oh, I wasn't expecting pink. That's nice.
Feels.
It's a good autumn one.
I justified the sight of this brand.
Like a $200 one? Yeah. Stupid. You gotta be like...